Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn the difference between verbal irony and sarcasm. But before I start this lecture, if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Well, let's move and start it. Verbal irony and sarcasm are both forms of verbal communication that involve saying something that means the opposite of what is literally said. However, there are some key differences between the two. Verbal irony. Verbal irony is when a speaker says something that is the opposite of what they actually mean, but they do not intend to mock or insult anyone. For example, "What a lovely day," said on a sunny day. The speaker is saying the opposite of what they mean. They do not actually think it is a lovely day, they are just saying the opposite to express their dissatisfaction with the weather. "What a great view," said from inside a crowded, noisy subway car. The speaker is being ironic. They do not actually think the view is great. They are just saying the opposite to express their frustration with the situation. Basically, in this example the speaker does not say directly that the view is bad but the speaker says it in opposite manner. "I'm so happy to be at work," said by someone who hates their job. In other words, it means that a speaker does not like his job but he did not say it directly but he said in opposite manner. Sarcasm. Sarcasm is a form of verbal irony that is used to mock or insult someone. The speaker or writer intends the listener or reader to understand that they are being sarcastic, and they often use a mocking or condescending tone of voice to make it clear. For example, "You're a real genius," when says this sentence to someone who has just made a mistake. So the speaker is being sarcastic. They do not actually believe that the person is a genius, they are just saying the opposite to mock it. So this one sarcasm. Why? Because the speaker has intention to ridicule and mock the other person. "I'm so impressed." This is a sarcastic remark that is often used to express disbelief or disapproval of someone's actions. The speaker does not actually think the person is impressive, they are just saying the opposite to express their disbelief or disapproval. Here again the speaker has intention to mock the listener. "You're so talented," when a speaker says to someone who is clearly not talented. So this is also sarcasm. Difference. The main difference between verbal irony and sarcasm is that verbal irony does not necessarily have an intention to mock or insult someone, while sarcasm does. Well guys, if you have enjoyed or learned something from it, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.